This video will demonstrate how to properly deline the water faucet and spray head due to mineral deposit buildup. The use of a damp cloth rinsed in any mild, non-abrasive, liquid detergent is recommended for cleaning all surfaces on pneumatic equipment. Do not clean this equipment with a water jet device. It is not necessary to disconnect the water source for this procedure. Disconnect power from the brewer and allow the faucet to cool to touch. Could take several hours. Run water out of the faucet until the flow stops. Elevate the front of brewer about 1 so water is confined to tank. Remove the handle and bonnet nut assembly from the faucet by rotating bonnet nut counterclockwise, then lift off. The nut is only hand tight but may need the use of a hand tool. Exercise caution, as any residual water may be hot. Using a bristle brush, clean the faucet body to remove any mineral deposit buildup. Remove the old faucet seat cup from the faucet handle stem. Install a new seat cup onto the faucet handle stem. Ensure the seat cup is securely fastened to the handle stem. Reinstall the faucet components and rotate the bonnet nut clockwise until it's hand tight. Return the brewer to a level position. Any buildup on the spray head may restrict water flow and impact your coffee brewing. For consistently great coffee, clean spray heads weekly. Upon visual inspection, it may appear that light passes through all holes in the spray head plate, but a thin film of residue can pass light and still impede water flow. Check and clean each spray head. The spray head holes must always remain open. Remove spray head from brewer. Disassemble by removing the seal. Insert the pointed end of the spray head cleaning tool into each of the water outlets of the spray head to remove any mineral deposits. Insert the long end of the spray head cleaning tool into the spray head fitting, and rotate several times to remove any mineral deposits from the fitting. Include the vent hole and the spray head panel. In hard water areas, this may need to be performed daily. It will help prevent mineral buildup in the brewer and takes less than a minute. Wipe down all spray head panels with a clean damp cloth. Reassemble spray head. Ensure that the holes line up on the base plate and the spray head plate before replacing the seal. Reattach to the spray head fitting. Spray head only needs to be hand tightened. Restore power to the brewer. Check for leaks around the faucet. Run water through the faucet until there are no signs of dislodged mineral deposits. If you experience a low flow of water out of the faucet after performing maintenance, contact a qualified service technician.